The amazing life of the golden eagle. In the vast expanse of sky above mountain peaks, across wind-swept plains, and over dense forests, few creatures command as much respect and admiration as the golden eagle, Aquila cressitos. This magnificent bird of prey represents one of nature's most perfect predators, combining raw power with elegant grace, exceptional intelligence with primal instinct. The golden eagle's life story is one of survival, adaptation, and mastery over some of the world's most challenging environments. From the moment a golden eagle chick breaks free from its shell to the day an aged adult takes its final flight, every aspect of this remarkable bird's existence demonstrates the intricate balance of nature's design. These apex predators have captivated human imagination for millennia, appearing in mythology, heraldry, and folklore across cultures worldwide. Yet beyond their symbolic significance lies a complex and fascinating biological reality that showcases evolution's remarkable ability to create specialized hunters perfectly adapted to their ecological niches. The golden eagle's place in the natural world. Golden eagles belong to the family Accipitridae, which includes hawks, eagles, and Old World vultures. As members of the genus Aquila, they are considered true eagles, distinguished from other raptors by their feathered legs that extend all the way down to their toes. This adaptation provides crucial insulation in cold climates and offers protection during hunting activities in rocky terrain. The species enjoys one of the widest distributions of any eagle, inhabiting mountainous regions across North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of North Africa. This extensive range reflects the golden eagle's remarkable adaptability and evolutionary success. Unlike many specialized species that require specific habitat conditions, golden eagles have thrived in diverse environments ranging from Arctic tundra to desert mountains, from sea level to elevations exceeding 20,000 feet in the Himalayas. Their scientific name, Aquila cressitos, derives from Latin and Greek roots meaning golden eagle, directly referencing the distinctive golden bronze plumage that adorns the head and neck of adult birds. This coloration becomes more pronounced with age, creating the stunning visual contrast that has made the golden eagle one of the most recognizable raptors in the world. Physical magnificence and evolutionary perfection. The golden eagle represents a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering, with every aspect of its anatomy fine-tuned for aerial hunting success. Adult females, typically larger than males due to reverse sexual dimorphism common in raptors, can achieve lengths of up to 40 inches with wingspans reaching an impressive 8 feet. Their substantial size places them among the largest eagles in North America, and makes them formidable predators capable of taking prey as large as young deer or mountain goats. The bird's most striking feature remains its golden-hued head and neck feathers, which shimmer in sunlight and create an almost regal appearance. These feathers are complemented by dark chocolate-brown body plumage that provides excellent camouflage when the birds perch on rocky cliff faces or in shadowy forest environments. The contrast between the golden head and dark body creates a distinctive silhouette that experienced birders can identify from considerable distances. Golden eagles possess extraordinarily powerful talons equipped with curved, razor-sharp claws capable of exerting crushing pressure exceeding 750 pounds per square inch. These weapons are complemented by muscular legs and feet that can grip and carry prey weighing up to 15 pounds during flight. The bird's grip strength is so formidable that they can crush the skulls of medium-sized mammals instantly, ensuring quick, humane kills during hunting activities. Perhaps most remarkable of all are the golden eagle's eyes. Large, forward-facing organs that provide visual acuity estimated to be 4 to 8 times superior to human vision. These extraordinary eyes can detect movement at distances exceeding 2 miles, allowing eagles to spot potential prey while soaring at heights that render them nearly invisible to ground observers. The eyes contain specialized cells called double cones that enable perception of ultraviolet light, revealing details in the environment that remain completely hidden to most other creatures. Masters of flight and aerial dynamics. Golden eagles are supreme aerial athletes, capable of flight performances that seem to defy physics. Their broad wings, spanning up to 8 feet, are perfectly designed for both soaring and high-speed pursuit flights. The birds utilize rising thermal currents and mountain updrafts to gain altitude with minimal energy expenditure, often climbing to heights exceeding 20,000 feet while barely flapping their wings. During hunting stoops, golden eagles can achieve diving speeds approaching 200 miles per hour, making them among the fastest birds in North America. This incredible velocity, combined with their substantial mass, creates tremendous kinetic energy that proves devastating to prey animals. The birds demonstrate remarkable precision during high-speed dives, adjusting their trajectory with minute wing and tail movements to compensate for wind conditions and prey movements. Their flight capabilities extend far beyond simple speed and altitude achievements. Golden eagles display extraordinary maneuverability, capable of executing sharp turns, barrel rolls, and sudden direction changes that would challenge modern fighter aircraft. This aerial agility proves crucial during territorial disputes with other eagles and during the elaborate courtship displays that strengthen pair bonds between mates. Migration represents another showcase of golden eagle flight mastery. Some populations undertake journeys spanning thousands of miles, navigating by celestial cues, magnetic fields, and landscape features with remarkable accuracy. These migrations often involve crossing major geographic barriers such as mountain ranges, deserts, and large bodies of water, requiring exceptional endurance and navigation skills. Hunting strategies and predatory excellence. The hunting prowess of golden eagles represents one of nature's most impressive examples of predatory specialization. These versatile hunters employ multiple strategies depending on terrain, weather conditions, and prey species, demonstrating remarkable behavioral flexibility that contributes significantly to their evolutionary success. High-altitude soaring represents the golden eagle's most characteristic hunting method. From elevated positions thousands of feet above the ground, eagles survey vast territories with their exceptional eyesight, patiently waiting for opportunities to present themselves. When prey is detected, the eagle initiates a controlled dive, building speed while maintaining visual contact with the target. The final approach often involves a sudden, devastating strike that gives prey animals little opportunity to escape. Low-level hunting flights showcase a different aspect of golden eagle hunting behavior. During these pursuits, eagles fly close to the ground, using terrain features for concealment while actively searching for prey. This method proves particularly effective in areas with abundant ground-dwelling mammals such as rabbits, marmots, and prairie dogs. The element of surprise becomes crucial during low-level hunts, as prey animals have more time to detect approaching danger and seek shelter. Cooperative hunting between mated pairs represents perhaps the most sophisticated golden eagle hunting strategy. During these coordinated efforts, one eagle flushes prey from cover while the partner positions itself for an ambush. This teamwork significantly increases hunting success rates and allows the birds to tackle larger or more challenging prey species that might escape individual hunting attempts. Diet and prey relationships. Golden eagles demonstrate remarkable dietary flexibility, with their prey spectrum including over 200 documented species ranging from insects to mammals weighing more than 30 pounds. This broad diet reflects their opportunistic nature and contributes to their success across diverse habitats and geographic regions. Medium-sized mammals constitute the primary food source for most golden eagle populations. Ground squirrels, marmots, rabbits, hares, and similar species provide the bulk of nutritional requirements throughout much of the eagle's range. These mammals offer optimal size-to-energy ratios, being large enough to provide substantial nutrition while remaining manageable for capture and transport. During winter months or in areas where mammalian prey becomes scarce, golden eagles readily adapt their hunting focus to birds. Game birds such as grouse, ptarmigan, and pheasants feature prominently in cold-season diets, along with waterfowl, corvids, and even other raptors when opportunities arise. The bird's ability to shift between mammalian and avian prey sources provides crucial flexibility during challenging environmental conditions. Carrion consumption represents another important dietary component, particularly during harsh weather when hunting live prey becomes difficult or energetically expensive. Golden eagles will readily scavenge deer, elk, livestock, and other large carcasses, often dominating feeding sites through their imposing size and aggressive behavior toward competing scavengers. Reproduction and family life. The reproductive cycle of golden eagles reveals fascinating insights into their social behavior, parental dedication, and long-term pair bonding strategies. These magnificent birds typically form monogamous relationships that can persist for many years, with some pairs maintaining partnerships until death separates them. Courtship activities begin in late winter or early spring, featuring spectacular aerial displays that rank among nature's most impressive mating rituals. Paired eagles engage in synchronized soaring flights, dramatic dives, and intricate aerial dances that reinforce pair bonds and establish territorial boundaries. These displays often include the famous cartwheel behavior, where pairs lock talons in midair and tumble through the sky in spinning cartwheels before separating just above the ground. Nest construction or renovation represents a collaborative effort between mates, with both birds contributing materials and labor to create or maintain their eyrie. These substantial structures, built primarily from sticks and branches, can reach impressive dimensions after years of continuous use. Some documented golden eagle nests exceed 8 feet in diameter and 6 feet in depth, representing decades of accumulated building materials and maintenance efforts. The female typically lays 1 to 4 eggs, though clutches of 2 or 3 eggs are most common across the species range. Egg laying occurs at intervals of 2 to 4 days, resulting in asynchronous hatching that creates significant size differences between siblings. The incubation period lasts approximately 45 days, with a female performing the majority of incubation duties while the male provides food and territorial defense. Golden eagle chicks, called eaglets, hatch covered in white down and are completely dependent on parental care. The size difference between siblings often leads to siblicide, where the larger, older chick dominates feeding opportunities and may kill smaller siblings during times of food scarcity. This harsh reality ensures that at least one chick receives adequate nutrition to survive to fledgling age. Territorial behavior and social dynamics. Golden eagles maintain some of the largest territories documented among North American birds, with breeding pairs defending areas that can exceed 100 square miles depending on prey density and habitat quality. These vast territories reflect the bird's substantial food requirements and relatively low prey densities in many habitats they occupy. Territorial defense involves both active patrolling and passive advertisement through soaring displays and vocalizations. Golden eagles produce a variety of calls including sharp barks, whistles, and screams that serve different communication functions. The most common vocalization is a high-pitched, piercing call that carries for considerable distances and helps maintain contact between mates while establishing territorial boundaries. Conflicts between territorial golden eagles can escalate into dramatic aerial battles featuring high-speed chases, grappling with locked talons, and aggressive vocalizations. These confrontations rarely result in serious injury, as the combatants typically separate before inflicting significant damage. However, territorial disputes demonstrate the importance of space and resources in golden eagle ecology. Outside the breeding season, some golden eagles become more tolerant of conspecifics, occasionally forming loose aggregations around abundant food sources such as large carcasses or seasonal prey concentrations. These temporary associations provide opportunities for social interaction and may facilitate pair formation among unpaired individuals. Migration and seasonal movements. Golden eagle populations display varying degrees of migratory behavior, with some individuals remaining year-round residents while others undertake extensive seasonal movements. Northern populations generally show stronger migratory tendencies, with birds traveling hundreds or thousands of miles to reach more favorable wintering areas. Migration timing closely correlates with weather patterns and prey availability, with most movements occurring during autumn and spring. Golden eagles are primarily diurnal migrants, relying on thermal updrafts and ridge lift to assist their long-distance flights. This dependence on favorable weather conditions can concentrate migrating eagles at specific geographic features such as mountain passes, ridgelines, and coastlines. Famous migration corridors such as Hawk Mountain in Pennsylvania and the Goshute Mountains in Nevada provide researchers with opportunities to study golden eagle movements and population dynamics. These concentration points reveal important information about migration timing, population trends, and the effects of environmental changes on eagle behavior. Challenges and survival strategies. Golden eagles face numerous survival challenges throughout their lives, from natural predators during the nestling stage to human-related threats as adults. Adaptability and behavioral flexibility represent key survival strategies that have enabled the species to persist across diverse environments and changing conditions. Climate and weather present ongoing challenges, particularly for young eagles learning to hunt and survive independently. Harsh winters, extended storms, and drought conditions can significantly impact prey availability and hunting success. Golden eagles respond to these challenges through behavioral modifications such as expanded home ranges, altered hunting strategies, and increased scavenging activities. Competition with other predators adds another layer of survival pressure. Golden eagles must compete with other large raptors, mammalian carnivores, and even corvids for prey resources and suitable nesting sites. Their impressive size and aggressive nature usually give them advantages in direct confrontations, but energy expenditure during competitive interactions can impact overall fitness and reproductive success. Lifespan and aging. In the wild, golden eagles can live 20 to 30 years, with some individuals potentially reaching even greater ages under favorable conditions. Captive birds have documented lifespans exceeding 40 years, suggesting that natural mortality factors rather than intrinsic aging processes primarily limit wild populations. Age-related changes in golden eagles include the development of the characteristic golden head plumage, which becomes more pronounced over the first 5 to 7 years of life. Young eagles display more mottled plumage patterns and lack the distinctive golden coloration that gives the species its name. These plumage changes help researchers and birders estimate the age of individual birds in the field. Reproductive senescence appears to occur in very old golden eagles, with elderly birds showing decreased breeding success and territory maintenance capabilities. However, the vast majority of wild eagles die from external factors such as human persecution, habitat loss, or accidents long before reaching advanced ages where senescence becomes significant. Conclusion. A life of magnificent adaptation. The amazing life of the golden eagle represents a testament to evolutionary success and ecological adaptation. From their first breath as helpless chicks in cliffside eyries to their final flights as experienced adults, these magnificent birds embody the wild spirit of untamed landscapes and the relentless drive for survival that characterizes all successful species. Every aspect of golden eagle biology reflects millions of years of natural selection pressure that has refined their hunting abilities, flight performance, and survival strategies to near perfection. Their exceptional eyesight, powerful flight capabilities, versatile hunting techniques, and behavioral flexibility have enabled them to thrive across vast geographic ranges and diverse habitats where other species might struggle to survive. Understanding and appreciating the amazing life of golden eagles provides insights not only into the biology of a remarkable species but also into the broader principles of ecology, evolution, and conservation. These magnificent birds serve as indicators of ecosystem health, symbols of wilderness preservation, and reminders of our responsibility to protect the natural world for future generations to experience and enjoy. The golden eagle's story continues to unfold across mountain ranges, plains, and forests around the world, with each individual bird writing its own chapter in the ongoing saga of survival, adaptation, and natural magnificence that defines one of nature's most impressive predators.